1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some classic Cranberries, When You're Gone. Very sweet song, I think. And he only has three chords, three easy chords. But let's start putting a cape on 3rd fret, please. That's where it's at. Okay, we got a C major. 1, 2, 3. We get an A minor. We get E minor. And G major. Okay, and the switching is like this. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. C, 2. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2. A minor. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. E minor. Check out this strumming area. So down, down, taka taka ta, taka taka down, down, taka taka down, down. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2. So the song is in 6/8. Song. If you want to check out the picking, you have a guitar that's picking through the whole song in the intro too. It's like so let's strum C, and then we pick 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Strum A minor. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Strum E. Same thing. 1, 2, 3, drum. Cranberries. Thanks, guys, for checking in. Have fun playing the songs. It's a nice one. Easy. See you tomorrow with more cool tunes. Thank you.